bringing you the people making a difference today. This is Black Voices Now
on the Black Information Network.
Black women across the country are dying from pregnancy-related complications at a rate that is more than double the rate of white women. But in the southern United States, Texas to be exact, there is a Black female voice emerging.
I firmly believe that the single most important decision that we can make to improve our pregnancy outcomes is our choice of OB provider.
And this is not just any voice. This is the voice of a Black OBGYN doctor. This is a voice of experience. Meet Dr. Tiffany Woodus and write down the title of her book on the topic of maternal health.
It's called the MOCA Maternity Survival Guide, Choosing the Right OBGYN. And the thought process behind it is there's so many things outside of our control. What we need to focus on is the things within our control. We have to figure out how to prioritize and get hyper intentional about taking back our power. And one of the things that we almost always have control over is who we allow to care for our bodies.
Dr. Woodus has been a doctor for 18 years and in private practice for 4 years in Cedar Hill, Texas.
I've known that I wanted to go into medicine since I was really little, probably from the age of 8 or 9. Service flows through my veins. My father's a pastor. I'm a PK. My grandfather is a small town politician in Arkansas, where we're from. Both of my grandmothers were nurses. My mom has been a servant leader her whole life. So this was kind of a natural extension of my desire to serve. And then when I combined that from my love for science, it just kind of became a no-brainer.
She says she always knew she wanted to be a doctor.
The passion for medicine came in, and then when I spoke it into existence, all the adults around me, in church, everyone just started calling me Dr. Woodus, or at the time, Dr. Bogan. That's my maiden name. But it just kind of manifested and kind of grew. And even when I didn't believe in myself, having that community behind me rallied me and helped push me forward. So I've known I wanted to step into this role for a very long time.
Even when she struggled to believe in herself, it was her church family and her community that stood with her in solidarity.
I carved out a space unique to the Black experience. I tried to create a safe space, a haven where women felt celebrated, not just tolerated. Because unfortunately, the medical space has been so traditionally intimidating. It's been filled with people who don't look like us, who potentially don't understand our walk in life.
Dr. Woodus also wants to help those with limited access to health care.
You deserve to be celebrated, not just tolerated. Do not be afraid to get a second opinion. Second opinions save lives. You spent your entire life figuring out how to survive. Now it's time for you to figure out how to thrive. And that means even in the space of your healthcare.
And she believes in second opinions. I'm Nicole Deal.